when playing a game, you should first see if you can attack. If you cannot attack, then increase your activity. In the opening, in most cases, it's better to increase your activity and then attack instead of starting a premature attack. Two most important principles in chess are activity and attack. Activity means how active are your pieces, and attack simply means attacking your opponent. One can argue that those two principles are actually one, because if you have really active position, then your pieces are going to automatically attack your opponent. So in this series, I'm going to analyze different chess games and explain them only using those two principles. Without further ado, let's go to the games. E4, activating these pieces, controlling the center, activating piece, activating piece, B4. Here white is trying to get more active than his opponent by sacrificing pawn. C3 and then D4, sacrificing another pawn so he can castle quickly and develop a strong attack. Queen B3, attacking, attack, get more space in the center, activating rook, activating a bishop, b5, an opponent is trying to activate his own forces and push white back. So he's trying to get active. Activating the last minor piece. Activating it even more. Attack. Threatening to give a check and pick up a queen. Attack. Computer is saying that it is a blunder because black had some computer-like defense. We're not gonna go into that. Attack. Activating the last piece. Attack. Check. So this is all forcing now. And a beautiful mate. Through this first game, you saw that just by thinking in these simple terms, activity and attack, you can analyze a chess game or play a game very well. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and see you in the next video.